my lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here again with another glam eye look that I created using the Norvina palette. So these are the shades,
which consists of some nice shimmers. These are the 7 shimmer shades. The first one is Drama, Dazzling, Celestial, Rose Gold, Wild Child, Summer, and Dreamer. Look at the beautiful shades. And these are the matte shades, which are at the bottom: Passion, Eccentric, Volatile, Love, Insist, Soul, and Base,
which has been created by Anastasia's. Without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. I'm going to take this first shade called Love. It's a nice pink shade. It's a matte color. I'm going to put this. This is going to be my transition shade. And once again, I have already done my eyebrows. And today I have done my foundation minus the concealer. I haven't done that yet because the concept of this tutorial is trying the Norvina palette. So that's the main focus of the tutorial today. This is not my first review. I have already used these shades and already have a idea what I think about the palette. So yes, so I'm going to take the Love shade, and this is my transition shade above the crease. And honestly, I'm really impressed with this palette. This is like a very versatile palette. You can create a lot of looks with it. You can go from simple to subtle to glam. I know like this palette has like lots of pinks and shimmers and purple and pink tones, but in this palette there's like 2 shades called Eccentric and Passion. These are like 2 neutral shades. With this you can build and make a nice natural look too. I will be creating more looks with this palette in the near future. So today I'm not sure. I might go for a glam shimmery look. So now I'm going to go ahead with this shade called Eccentric. It's like a burnt orange shade. I'm going to take a different crease brush. Like I know that everybody has in their collection palettes that consist of a lot like nude shades, natural color, like with browns and red and orange shades. So this is like a different palette. With this you can, if you want to create like a cool tone, like something out of your usual colors, this palette will be perfect for that. Look at the colors, how pigmented it is. I honestly like this palette. So now I'm going to go with this shade called Volatile and put it on my outer V. I'll take a pencil brush to do that. Back to my crease shade again. So now what I'm going to do, I will be taking this shade called Wild Child. It's a nice rose gold shade, like shimmery. I'm going to pat it on my lid. Look at that color. Norvina has done an amazing job with this palette, like honestly. I know for now you all have seen like lots of tutorial using this palette, and by now you know this is a very nice palette. So now I'm gonna go with this shade called Soul. It's a shimmer purple shade. Like it's not too shimmery, but it does have some reflex of, I would say, let me check, like silver actually, not even gold. Like, let me show you guys. I don't know why I swatch in the most awkward places all the time. Anyhow, so I'm going to take that shade, tap off the excess, and go on my outer V. Back again with my Wild Child shade. And then when I meet that Wild Child meets the Soul shade, I'm going to just blend the harsh line. So now with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead with the shade called Rose Gold, that's next to Wild Child, and apply that in the outer V, in between the Wild Child and your Soul shade, in a tapping motion or patting motion. I know I haven't started blending yet. I will do that at the end. I just want to play with more of those shades to see or to show you all how it performs. Now I'm going to go with the eccentric, the crease shade, and start blending all the harsh lines. So now I'm going to take this pointed pencil brush and take the shade called Celestial. It's a shimmer purple shade, and apply in the inner corner of my eyelid, and drag it a little into the bottom. So I haven't done my concealer. I don't know if I told you guys or not, because I wanted to see if I don't get excess fallout. So especially after you do the concealer, I know you can put powder on top while you're doing the eyeshadow and like brush it off. But I like it this way. So then if there's a fallout, I just clean it and put my concealer and do the rest of the face. So this is what I created so far. What I'm thinking right now, just to make my eyelid color more intense, I'm going to go ahead with the same shade called Wild Child with a wet brush. Let's see. For my brow bone shade, I'll take this shade called Base. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do as my eyeliner, I will be using this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in shade Love. It's a nice purplish color, as you can see, and use this as my liquid eyeliner. I'm going to take an angled brush for that and hope for the best. This is like optional, this purple. You can go with the black, up to you, but I just wanted to experiment and see how it looks. So off camera, I will do my eyeliner, mascaras, falsies, and be right back. I'm back again. So to finish my eye makeup look, what I did, under my lower lash line, I used this dark purple, like a shimmer purple called Drama, and I really smoked it out just to give me the bottom smoky effect. And again, then I went with the Celestial shade in my inner corner, and I combined it with that dark shade. And I'm wearing my Ardell fauxmink lashes. Yeah. And off camera, I also did my concealer. I used the Makeup Forever Conceal and Correct concealer. So now I'm going to continue with the makeup look. So I'm going to just do the contouring, blush, and all that. I'm going to show you guys. So for my contour, I will be going with my Makeup Forever Sculpting Kit in shade 2. So I'm going to take a angled brush and contour my cheekbones. So then just to clean the jawline, I'm going to use this white shade from the same kit. I don't know why I was like looking like this when this one doesn't have a mirror either. That's so funny. So as my blush, I will be mixing this 2 shade from the Makeup Revolution palette called Sugar and Spice. And as always, all my product info will be in the description box below. For highlighter, I will be using this Sophx highlighter kit, and we'll be taking this baked shadow. It's not showing on the camera that well. It's baked like a shimmer, like it has like a purple reflex to it. Since like my whole look is kinda, it's more like purple, pinkish to purple, that's why I decided to go with what do you call that, white, like a shimmer shade with reflects of purple in it, just to make the look all come together. And for my lips, I will be going with like a nude shade. I'm taking my Prestige lip liner, Stila liquid lipstick in shade Patina. This is my finished makeup look that I created using the Norvina palette with some nice shades of pinks and purple. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you all in another tutorial. Bye!